Okay, take three. I am coming to you this fine Sunday afternoon in my home. It is nice out, but I have the curtains closed. It's way too bright for the exposure here. And I'm coming to introduce myself to you. Now, let me start off by saying I am no professional YouTuber, no videographer. I'm just getting started in social media, so expect issues from this video. I'll try to edit. I guess that's what they do. I hear that all the time about editing. But for right now, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Queen Stewart. I run the law office of Queen N. Stewart, and I'm an attorney. What does the N stand for? A lot of people want to know what my middle name is. My middle name is Nefertina, a derivative of Queen Nefertiti. And if you know Egyptian history, then you know who that is, and that's where my name comes from. I am a general practice lawyer. What does that mean? I practice in different areas of the law. So I handle, this is not a fully inclusive list, but I handle municipal matters, trust and estates matters, which includes things like wills, power of attorney. I also handle real estate transactions, so if you need a real estate attorney. In addition to that, I do personal injury. My last employer, in fact, was Liberty Mutual, where I tried over a dozen civil cases involving motor vehicle accidents, and I was very successful there. I've worked for our state legislator here in New Jersey. I've worked for our county council here in New Jersey, in Union County. I've been a child support hearing officer in the state of New Jersey, so that involved drafting, modifying, and enforcing child support orders, so I'm very familiar with the family court. Why did I decide to open my practice as a general practice? I love variety. I love to try different types of cases, trying meaning in court, before a judge and a jury. I love to handle different types of matters. It keeps me fresh. It keeps me interested. It keeps me researching and learning. Many attorneys like to zone into one part of the law, but for me, I actually get refreshed from learning and working and doing different types of cases. I stay in areas where I'm comfortable though, so please don't come to me if you have an extreme complex medical malpractice case. That won't be for me. I don't do bankruptcy. That won't be for me either. There's parts of the law where I'm just going to stay away from. But if you do come to me, you can be sure that you're in good hands, because I go at it, which is why I've been very successful in all of the areas that I have worked in the law, and it's been quite a bit. I care about my clients. I care about the law, and I just love working with people. So this introduction is about me, but I also want you to feel comfortable. If you're looking for an attorney, this YouTube channel is going to talk about different types of laws and what it means and how it affects people. I want this channel to be somewhere where you can go to get the intersection really between law and life. So I may not always talk about the law. I might just talk to you about my life, about my kids, about kindergarten, which I'm in right now because I sit with my daughter and do it. You know, my 1-year-old, let's talk about that. I have other interests. I have other businesses. I might talk about that as well. There may be hot topics going on, and there are quite a few right now. Maybe you all have questions and you want to know the perspective of a young black female attorney. What do I think about certain things going on in the world? Ask me and I'll answer those questions too. So this introduction is to tell you who I am, what I do, and most importantly, to get you interested in coming here to get content that you might not get elsewhere. I hope to see you again, and I'm going to get my little clicker here to stop the video because I think I've talked about, I've spoken enough. Again, I don't know how to edit yet, so please come back. I plan to video or tape videos on a bi-weekly basis. I'll try Sunday and I'll try Wednesdays. I'll think of topics that I think are interesting for people, so different areas. Maybe one day I'll talk about a will and the importance of that, power of attorney and the importance of that. What does it mean when you're in a car accident? What should you do? When should you seek legal advice? Custody issues. I'll talk about those things. And then again, I'll just throw in some family stuff because everyone needs a break from work sometimes, right? So thank you for tuning into this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come back for more information. Take care, guys. And I think I just messed up, but I'm going to stop the video now.